Hi guys, so my name is JM. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are playing the War Thunder Mobile. So this game it's been while. It's been 3 years, like 2020, just like that. So I have choose now what I gonna go to the war or World War II. So I choose this, guys. Look. So just wait. Okay. I choose the ship.
Ang kakakain na na, dyan na lang ikaw kasi si Ate Sophia kasalo natin, ha?
Apa. I choose the battle of ship battle because look, it's super cool. Oh, I'm gonna choose this. Get three common. Okay, new boat. Okay. To battle. Okay. So wait. So that game it's just World War II like this. Yeah, just like that World War II. Cause look at the details, guys. Well, yeah, look at so beautiful. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it.